Good lunchtime to you, sandwich fans. Sandwich Dad here, and today I'm making a St. Paul sandwich. I can't remember who requested it, but it is here. It's also not from St. Paul. Apparently it's from St. Louis. But here we go. We need an egg, or 3, an onion, some green onion, bean sprouts, some celery, you see it under there, soy sauce, sesame oil, and some cornstarch. Instead of a wok, a small cast iron pan I found at the dump. Now chop your veggies, crack your egg, salt and pepper, then beat it, don't you make me repeat it. Then we'll get sauteing those onions and celery. Make a slurry with soy sauce and cornstarch, then dump the rest of your vegetables in. Looking good. Let those cool, re-oil your pan, pour your slurry into your egg, add a little sesame oil, and then your veggies that are cooled down. Stir it up, hopefully that looks right, and get frying that egg foo young pancake there. Looking pretty good. I'm going to fold it over like an omelet here a little bit, and flip it. Alright, next on to the sandwich ingredient. White bread, a little mayo at both sides I think, garden lettuce, tomatoes, and your egg foo young. A little hot sauce. Here's your St. Paul sandwich. Sandwich Dad, good day.